So we're here at Town Farm on a very blustery December day, and I'm just going to be taking you into Barley End, which is a barn conversion rental property that we've recently converted to infrared heating panels. As you come into the room, you might not even notice them unless you're looking, but we've got 2,000 watt panels here in the kitchen, plus several other panels in the bedrooms and hallway. The control panel is here on the wall, but we largely keep this locked so that we can control the system from anywhere in the world using the really useful app. But the heat in here is lovely. The installation was super quick, less than 2 days to put up 8 panels plus all the thermostats and spur switches, and then making good from the decorator also within that 2 days. So if you're planning to install these infrared panels on the ceiling, and especially if you have access to your loft space, which we do here, it's pretty similar as it would be to install spotlights. So it's a really quick, easy upgrade. The quality of the heat is a huge improvement. Rather than the heat sitting up in the top part of the room, your heat is in your objects and your flooring and your people, your guests. So you don't have hot and cold spots throughout the room. You don't get cold when you sit down or lie in bed because the warm air is distributed really evenly across the room. But yeah, this has been a really quick and easy upgrade, and we're hoping that the lifespan and kind of user friendliness of the system will be a big improvement for us here. So we're going to take this idea into several of our other rental properties, which are electrically heated, and probably in the coming years even convert some of the oil-fed properties to infrared. Hope you found that useful, and